Hi, this is Ken Lau. In today's video, I will share with you one of the cool feature in pivot table, and it's called the slicer. Slicer. So what is slicer? Let me just walk you through, right? So basically, I have some training data, and I can quickly tell from this training data, right? It has the employee's name. These are all fictitious data, yeah, and the department, the levels, and the course they attended, when is it attended, and whether they attended or not attended, and we can do analysis like this. So we can say that okay, we want to know what is the board level, right? At board level, who has attended, and for the logistic, right? The boards is called this way is intended. So IT, account, marketing, operation, right? Operations, yes, there's one person's attended and one person didn't attended. Now in terms of executive in each of the department, we can check on it, right? So now what you have just seen here is called the slicer. Okay, so let's we just created a pivot table, and from there, how do we create a slicer is that you can let me just repeat again, yeah, how to do that. So at first is that these are the data here, and we want to say that we are not interested in everything here. We want something more, something lesser, zooming into a level. Okay, we look at this level, right? We can just click, drag the levels to the filters. Okay, now this is not possible because I have some data on the top here, right? This is the, so let's just cancel this, and so what I can do is I go to the insert slicer and look at the level, and I can check also on the department. Click OK, and that's it. This is how we created a department. Okay, and the level. Okay, so you can choose the board level. This is the board level, and this is the executive level. Right. So we can look at all the department, or just uncheck this all. So this is a pretty cool feature, right? So that's it. This is how you created a pivot table with slicer. We can do further formatting, right? We'll talk about this more in my course. Okay, this 2-day pivot table and also the case study. So you just see one case study that we use. We have a lot of case study that we can talk about, or we can have we have this thing, right? You can use this, and here, and I have also the yeah, I have a few more things that I can talk about. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. You just learn how to insert the slicer, right? Select pivot table analysis, and it's a slicer. That's all for now. Thank you. God bless you. Jesus love you.